Hey guys, nice to see you again. Sorry it's been so long since I've been active and posted a video. However, I hope you guys understand. Brianna and I have now moved up to Georgia, so getting settled in, moving everything up here, moving all the vehicles. It's been kind of a rough time. However, we're finally settling in, and I'd like to show you guys where we're at now. You guys might like what we have going on. So I know some of you guys are interested in our house. However, that's not really what we have to kind of show everyone. However, I think you guys might like what we have back here in the back of our property, and you guys might like it. This, because of all the cars that we've had. As you guys know, our last house had a 3-car garage, and that just wasn't enough. So we got the shop. We also have a 2-car attached garage, so life's a lot easier now. So come on in. Well, that's all I got for you guys now. Brianna and I are loving Georgia so far, and as you guys can see, we have a lot more room to play with toys. So make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification button, because we're about to do a lot of stuff with these cars. Jasmine is going to be going to the track here soon, as soon as we can get her tune dialed in, so hopefully we can see what she does. Brianna, we're getting ready to do a clutch and some other things. We'll bring you guys along for that ride as well. S15, it's about to get crazy with this thing. It's about to get done. I want it done pretty quick, so keep an eye out. And then the R32. Now, as you guys can see, we have other toys in here. We got some dirt bikes in the back, which we might go take dirt biking here soon. A lot of other things. We're going to be getting a lift in here, hopefully in the next month or two. So please, 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 let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Reach out to us. Let me know what you guys want to see on YouTube, and we'll go from there.